So today is our first ever Medway Supported Internship graduation, and what we're doing here is giving young people who have achieved a supported internship the opportunity to graduate with gowns in front of their friends and family and loved ones and their employers.
It's really nice to see people's journey and be here to celebrate them, and look forward to continuing to do that next year. You know, there's things that people achieve that they really didn't think they could, so that could be like independent living, just learning how to get a bus, just even to make friends and socialise with people. So I think that's one of the loveliest skills that we see people develop.
It's incredibly rewarding to see supported internships and supported employment being recognised in such a way that it hasn't before. You know, anyone who says they were confident going into their first job for the first time was telling a fib. It's not true. Everyone is nervous about it. So I'd say the biggest development of a supported internship is growing that confidence, is growing that knowledge to going out into the big wide world.
It's all you really want is them to have a fair crack at a whip, and very satisfying as well. But he's put a lot of hard work in, so he deserved it, and it's nice to have the chance, and it's paid off for him.
It's really fantastic to be here this evening to celebrate the supported internships, but what's really exciting is the employer stories that we're hearing about the fantastic interns.
When they sort of take these young people on, they actually realise that sometimes they do a better job and they actually learn the job thoroughly. Some people, they take shortcuts and things like that, where, these young people, they're very fastidious, they're very process driven, and that's what really makes them shine within the workplace.
There's everything for everyone out there, so we need to give it a go and try. And I'm really proud about my child, to be honest. I'll encourage every parent to give it a go.
The graduation this evening was such a wonderful opportunity for our interns. It was a culmination of all of their efforts over the past year and really highlighted just how far they have come.